Are you tired of losing track of leads, constantly wondering where each one stands? Managing sales with sticky notes or scattered spreadsheets isn't just chaotic, it's costing you real clients. Imagine having a system that organizes every lead, guiding them smoothly from first contact to paying clients without confusion. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, how to set up a high performing sales pipeline and CRM with our Go HighLevel system. The Go HighLevel platform is the same system that I use in Profit from Home daily. So here's the best part. This isn't a sales pitch. I'm going to actually show you step by step that you can implement this in your Go HighLevel account. If you don't have access to one, you can get a free trial with my link below in this description. And of course, comment below yes if you'd like more tutorials and my free complete course, templates, scripts, and free weekly coaching calls, all totally for free. So let's get started and make sure no leads fall through the cracks again. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to create your sales pipeline inside of Go HighLevel and show you exactly how to create the stages. And in future videos, we'll show you how to automatically move them across the line into actual paying clients. So thanks for watching this video. I've written down on the left-hand side my cadence on this new sales pipeline that I'm creating. You may have different sales pipeline or cadences or stages on how you move a client from a new lead to a booked appointment to actually closing them into actual client. Maybe you have certain stages of the pipeline where you have a cadence of following up, because as fortune is in the follow-up. So in this video, of course, take what you need from this video, leave out the rest that doesn't pertain to you, and then tweak it as you go. So you can also learn exactly how to modify this pipeline to your needs. So inside of Go HighLevel, what you're going to do is go into the opportunity section right here, and you're going to go to the pipeline. So this one is a demo account that I have here. So I have some leads, and these are the stages. So there, first of all, the jargon words, right? The opportunity section here is also the entire sales pipeline. So you have actually multiple sales pipelines that you could have. And the pipelines itself right here is another tab here on the top. And you can actually have multiple different pipelines. So I actually have a duplicate one here, so I can delete that here. And you can also have multiple different pipelines in here. So what I'm going to do is actually create a new one, and I'm going to call it my main pipeline. And then the stage names, I'm actually loving these emojis things. So I actually wrote out a few emojis here that go into the different stages that I'm creating here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it. Of course, you can just type it in, new lead, and you want to add another stage, and we're going to add the next one, sent messages, hot leads. So again, you can have different stages on however you want to follow up, or how your process is when someone comes into your whole realm of world that of you generating leads. So whether you're generating leads by just talking to someone, or they come into a funnel, we'll also show you how to get them into the sales pipeline once you've created this, whether you have different ways of generating leads through ads or Facebook ads, or manually adding someone opted into your funnel. So I'm just copying and pasting these stages here. New lead, new messages, or maybe sent a message. Maybe you have a two-step series where you have a setter triaging your calls for you, qualifying them, and then whether they were booked or they no-showed. So these are the stages that a new lead would go through, or a prospect. The payment is received here. Maybe you sent them the link and you have to follow up. And then we have a short-term follow-up and a long-term follow-up here. So I am creating each one of these stages here, and you can also follow along and do it for yourself as well too. So that's what I like to do when I watch tutorials. You can pause this video, go and open up your Go HighLevel account. Of course, if you do not have Go HighLevel, you know what to do. Link is in the description. You can get a free trial, as well as some of my free courses and bonuses and calls with me as well too. Once you fill out all the stages of how you want people to go, if you're like, oh, whoops, I wanted to actually move this call booked up to this section, right? So you can click these arrows to move them up and down, right? You can do that here. And then this visible funnel chart and visible pie chart, these are automatically going to be toggled on. And the reason why you may want to have them on is that in future videos, if you stick with me here on the channel, I will create videos on the dashboard. You can have a dashboard with the funnel charts and pie charts of how the percentage of people moving through your funnel. So you can leave those on and then go ahead and click save. So now when we go into the opportunity section, you saw that I have multiple lead pipelines. You can go down here and pick out the main pipeline that I just created. Okay, so that main pipeline there, you can go into that drop down here to find the main pipeline that I just created. If you have multiple, otherwise, of course, it's going to be the only one that's in there. So now what you have here is a awesome sales pipeline. Now, when people come into your sales pipeline, you can have an automation set up, or also I'll just show you what it looks like to add someone in. So say I talk to someone, they want to put them into the system. They're not even a contact in the system. You can actually start typing in their name here, or find them in your sales pipeline or inside of your contacts. You're going to type in the full name of the contact. If you don't have it in here, you're going to automatically create a new contact. You're going to enter their email and then their phone number if you have it. And of course, if you are, maybe they're not a new lead anymore, you've talked to them already, you want to move them to a booked call. So we've had the call with them. Also, you can assign the user here. If you don't have an assigned user, you can have it as an open status. You can put in an opportunity value here. Say maybe you're selling a $99 product. You can type in the opportunity value. Again, all of this can be automated in our workflow automations. As someone comes into your world, whether it's a funnel, you can actually add them to this pipeline and have these stages and status and opportunity values filled in, and the assigned user as such, and followers. So maybe I've actually been playing around with using adding the setter as a follower after the setter has booked their call with the actual sales reps, to be able to keep tabs on the contact but not be the assigned user anymore once they booked into a actual sales call with the sales department. Also, if you want to add any tags, of course, or you'll see tags if they are already a contact. So let's just create it. It makes an opportunity card now into your sales pipeline, and it's actually going to be under the booked call opportunity. So awesome. You see the opportunity value there. So they were making a ton of new updates. So I want to keep this video short just for the section of setting up the opportunities sales pipeline for you here. Again, if you'd like to have my templates and training calls, you can access that by clicking the link in the description. You can book a call, or you can join our community by becoming a affiliate. Get the free trial with HighLevel and join our community. There will be links below in the description. If you're already a Go HighLevel user, there'll be an opportunity and ways for you to get my support regardless. So make sure to reach out. All right. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Much love and aloha.